guys, now I'm gonna react on Crack movie interval scene collaborating with Vindu Vinay. I most of the time collaborate with him. So please do watch his channel as well and subscribe him as well. So before I start, hello मैं नाम मुनानी नाइट, welcome to my channel नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो लेट्स गो.
మనకు దొరికిన ఏకైక ఆధారం ఈ ఎఫ్ఐఆర్. అనుమానితులు దొరక్క ఎంక్వైరీ ఆగిపోయింది. సస్పెక్ట్ నంబర్ 1 ఒంటి మొక్కల రామారావు ఎవడేడో
4 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం చనిపోయాడు సార్.
సస్పెక్ట్ నంబర్ 2 చిన్న భాష
సార్
వీడెవడో
ఎంక్వైరీ చేశాను. అతను నెల్లూరు జైల్లో సూసైడ్ చేసుకున్నాడు సార్. అవును సార్.
సస్పెక్ట్ నంబర్ 3 కటారి కృష్ణ మరి ఈడెవడో
కటారి కృష్ణ అంటే ఒంగోలు.
ఒంగోలులో
పెద్ద మనిషి సార్.
అంటే మనిషి కాదనమాట. ఎక్కడీడు ఏంటి భయమా? ఎక్కడీడు
Okay, he's the main villain. Nice BGM.
నీ కూతురిని చూడు, ప్రేమించినోడు పైకి పోయినా ఏమీ ఎరగనట్టు ఎటన్ అవుతుందో. అన్నీ నీ పోలికే. ప్రాణాలకి అసలు విలువ ఎవరు? కొత్తగా వచ్చిన వంటలు సిఐ.
చూసినట్టుంది సామె. మొన్న ఈ మధ్యన ఓ పోలీసోడిని పనిష్మెంట్ ఏరియాకి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయించినాలే. సడన్ గా చూసి ఆడనుకున్నా.
అవునా కృష్ణ గారు? మొన్న అద్దంకి బస్ స్టాండ్ సెంటర్ లో ఓ వంకరోడు అమ్మాయిలు నడిపిస్తుంటే ఒంగోబెట్టి ఉప్పు కారం పెట్టేశాను. ఆడేంట్రా ఇక్కడ తిరణాల్లో కొత్త బట్టలు వేసుకుని కూర్చున్నాడా అనుకున్నా.
ఏంది బందోబస్తుకు వచ్చినా?
మిమ్మల్ని కలుద్దామని వచ్చాను.
రే సార్కి కుర్సీ వేయండిరా.
ఏంది పని?
మా కానిస్టేబుల్ కిరణ్ ని చంపేశారు. ఆ కేసు గురించి ఎంక్వైరీ చేస్తుంటే 10 ఏళ్ల క్రితం కందుకూరు పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ లో నమోదైన ఎఫ్ఐఆర్ లో అనుమానితుడిగా మీ పేరుంది. అది ఇలాంటి కేసే. 10 నిమిషాలు స్టేషన్ కి వస్తే ఎంక్వైరీ చేసి మళ్ళీ దింపేస్తా. వెళ్దామా?
20 ఊళ్ళు సంవత్సరానికి ఒక్కసారి జరిగే తిరణాళ్ళు నా ఒంటి సేత్తో జరగాలి. రావడం కుదరదు. తర్వాత
దేవుడు లేకపోతే జాతర ఆగిపోద్ది, పూజారి లేకపోతే పూజ ఆగిపోద్ది, ఈ డప్పులు లేకపోతే సౌండ్ ఆగిపోద్ది. మీరు లేకపోతే ఇక్కడే ఆగదు. కానీ ఓ 10 నిమిషాలు స్టేషన్ రండి సార్.
స్టేషనా? అది ఎట్టా ఉంటది? ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదే. ఎరా మన స్టేషన్ ఎప్పుడన్నా చూసావా?
Oh my god. Even he's left. Oh my god.
ఎందుకట్టనవుతున్నావు?
చిన్నప్పుడు మా తెలుగు మాస్టర్ భూతపదం గుర్తొచ్చి
ఏందో అది.
ఒరే అప్పిగా సుప్పిగా నువ్వు ఎవడైతే నాకేంట్రా నా టొప్పిగా.
ఈడ కూర్చుని కాడు నుంచి చూస్తున్నా. నీ కళ్లలో భయం కనబడలా. ఈ కటారి కృష్ణ పేరు మాత్రమే నీకు తెలుసు. ఆ పేరుకున్న బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ తెలీదు.
Oh, Rosa.
We don't like the word called background.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit.
He is the Don of Ongole.
Yeah. But what a scene. What a scene. Crazy. Crazy scene. My God.
రే కాకి సింగరకొండ తిరునాళ్ళలో కటారి కృష్ణ మీద సయ్యేస్తావా కుత్తిగా కోస్తా
కటారి కృష్ణ కింద పైన మూసుకొని వస్తుంటే ఉంచుకున్నదని నువ్వేంటే గుండు కేస్తా.
Oops. Now who is this?
Oh my god.
Nice slow mo. Intensity. My God, you did it! Wow.
Ah.
Wow. Well, good. Crazy. Crazy it is.
Wow. Oh. Wow.
Oh, the sweet kid.
Wow. Hey.
Wow.
Ooh. Gundu Gesta.
Seriously. The scene was intense. My God, I just loved it. It was full of swag.
I think you are watching for the first time of Ravi Teja's action scene, right?
Yeah. For the first time, I'm reacting on this action scene.
How was it actually?
Oh my God, it was full of swag, and it suits him. Like the villain said, they couldn't see fear in his eyes at all, and he was like that. I wasn't knowing that he was having problem with the word background, but
because
I thought,
at the starting of the film, if you watch the film, you can understand of why he when he says you don't know my background, it has got resound, and he showed the zoom of his ear.
yeah, and background wasn't being
Background.
Yeah,
At that time, he started beating everyone. At the starting also, one person is telling like Katara Krishna ante,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
he told like ante pedda manishi anta. Then you can notice there only.
yeah. But the
And
scene
slow
was so
motion
good.
all.
I mean, there were so many slow-mo scenes, like the punches going right from here, the knife and everything, which is going right from his face there.
Yes.
But the scene was choreographed so perfectly, like he was walking, and the two people was like sliding from the side. Okay,
Yeah.
because he hit them and they were sliding, and then the slow-mo, the wind was there and everything. That was really good. Actually,
Yes.
too outstanding. And the BGM when villain entered was also too good. And people over there, I guess they respect him for what it is, because when he came, people were like, "Oh my God, he's here now." So that's the reason everybody was like excited. Excited not, but everybody was like afraid of him.
There is real person called Katara Krishna.
Okay.
But not his actual story, but they have changed that into cinematic way and they have showed. But some incidents were truly happened, which were happened. They took that scenes and they have kept in this film.
Oh wow, great.
It's
But,
not
it
the
was good
biopic of
watch.
Katari Krishna, but it's the inspiration from him. Like in his life, some
Yeah.
incidents were happened. Director Gopichand Malneni is the director. He took scenes from that person's life history, and he took that scenes and he added to the script, and he made this film. And this was the biggest hit in Ravi Teja's career.
Wow, that's the reason so many people were requesting me to react on
That's
that
the
scene.
biggest hit in his
Yeah,
career.
yeah.
And this film was released on January 9th.
And we're talking about it now.
Yeah,
It means it is
and-
the biggest hit. Wow. Yeah, yeah.
And it released in OTT in February
Only on-
5th.
Acha, it was released on big screen also. And
Actually, it released in the theaters on Jan 9th. It released in OTT in Feb 5th.
Oh,
This
then people enjoyed it.
you can watch this film in AHA app. It's Allu Arjun's father's OTT platform. It's purely Telugu app.
wow, great.
You can
great.
find only Telugu movies,
What did
Telugu
I
short
love
films
is
and all.
his swag throughout the scene, and there was no fear actually in his eyes. The way he घसीट के लेके जाना भी से ना, he took him in that way, and there were so
Yes.
many people to save him, but nobody could save him. And the villain was also very promising. Okay, we should appreciate him as well because he looks very promising throughout this scene. He was looking
Actually,
dangerous.
the name of the villain was Samudragani sir. He is the director, actor, and producer in Tamil and
He is
Malayalam.
great. He is great. See, villains should also be appreciated because even they play the major role, and I could see that. And the
And
BGM
did you
everything
notice
was-
about the villain? He was the villain in Ala Vaikuntapuram also.
Yeah, I was about to ask you, is he the same person which
Yes,
we saw
he's
in
the same person.
Yeah.
He's
Then
the same
he played
person.
the role very perfectly. And
Yes,
this
yes.
was also too good. Him as a villain was also too good.
That's
There are
superb.
so many villains who make movie too good. Even Ravi
Yeah.
Teja sir was too good. I mean, his swag and everything was too good. But I'm just appreciating villains as well.
And one
Yeah.
more thing, talking about the fight choreography, I think this fight choreographed by Ram Lakshman Master, who has choreographed Sitarala Sirpadu fight.
Oh my, that was really too good, Sitarala Sarpud, and even this. I loved this as well. This was outstanding. So, talking about the PGM, I just remember that you have
Actually-
one channel of music channel, right?
Yeah. We have started a music channel. It's my SAS channel. The name of the channel is Kala Rhythm Rajamundry. You can find that channel link in the description.
Yeah, I've seen some of your videos. It's really good. So, guys, I think you should be also watching the
Yeah.
channel. Go and subscribe to the channel.
And guys, if you are interested to learn music or dance, you can mail, the details are in that channel's about. You can go and check with that.
Okay, so I just enjoyed the scene and thank you for bringing such an outstanding scene, which was really outstanding because it was a different experience for me to
Yeah.
watch such kind of scene of Ravi Teja sir, because this was the first time I'm reacting on Ravi Teja sir's scene. I just loved it. Thank you for bringing this scene.
Actually, there are 4 to 5 particular scenes in this movie. You have to watch. You really love that
Yeah, sure,
video.
sure.
You
I'll make-
try to react for Shruti Hassan fight scene also. I think you will really like it because a woman is fighting with the Gundas.
Sure, I'll do that.
You'll be getting goosebumps. Yeah, in theater
Yeah.
when I was watching that movie, I got goosebumps. I'm shouting like anything. I'm standing, shouting. I'm jumping in the theaters.
wow.
I went
I
to
would
the
love to
theater and I
react.
watched.
I love to react on it then. Okay, so this was too good. Thank you. Thanks a lot for bringing this scene. And there were so many requests, among which was Kanna Kanni, who have requested so many times in my comment section, and I guess he requested you as well. So this
So many
was,
people has requested, but I wanted to do this movie because it's recently released, so I want to do it.
Okay. So this
Guys, and you can also watch that film in AHA app. You have subtitles also. Okay guys, I hope that you all like my video reaction. If you like my video reaction, please do like, share, comment, and if you like my video, and definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more notification. If you like, then subscribe. If you don't like, don't subscribe, no problem.
do like this video, do share this video, because in your views we get to know what you love and what not, so that we can come up with so many other videos as well, and I keep collaborating with Vinnu Vinay time to time. So if you want such videos, you want more collaboration, do share as much as you can. And also subscribe to Kala Rhythm Rajahmundry, and the link is in the description. Do support the real talent, guys.
Bye, guys.